Trauma is a deeply distressing experience with profound impacts. Understanding trauma and coping strategies are crucial for moving forward. Trauma is a psychological response to harmful events, including acute, chronic, and complex trauma. The effects of trauma are wide-ranging, including emotional impacts like anxiety and depression, physical symptoms like fatigue, and cognitive issues like flashbacks. Recent research has introduced innovative treatments for trauma recovery. MDMA-assisted therapy has shown significant reductions in PTSD symptoms, with 71% of participants no longer meeting PTSD criteria after treatment. Repetitive transcranial magnetic stimulation, rTMS, effectively reduces hypervigilance and anxiety. Digital therapies, such as playing puzzle games like Tetris, help decrease intrusive memories by occupying cognitive resources. Cognitive and social factors play a significant role in trauma recovery, especially for children. Social support is crucial, with strong networks aiding recovery and reducing long-term PTSD risk. Coping strategies include seeking professional help, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, EMDR. Building resilience by focusing on strengths, setting small goals, and engaging with empathetic peers or support groups is foundational to healing. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques, like meditation and yoga, help ground individuals. Journaling and creative outlets provide a medium for emotional processing and expression. Self-care, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and engaging in joyful activities are paramount in recovery efforts. Healing from trauma is a journey, combining evidence-based treatments, supportive networks, and self-care to rebuild a purposeful life. Advances in trauma research provide hopeful paths for recovery, integrating science, empathy, and self-empowerment. Check out my video on Heal the Inner Child and Break Free from Past Trauma. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Life Reset channel. See you in my next video. Bye!